Hello everyone. We are looking at the YAWV Cordless Hedge Trimmer compatible with De-Walt 20V batteries. This versatile tool uses a 400-watt brass motor to deliver fast and efficient cutting performance. You get a 2-in-1 design that quickly swaps between grass shears and shrubbery trimming blades. The durable manganese blades and metal gears provide clean cuts while preventing any jamming in thick hedges. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, this ergonomic trimmer is perfect for long tasks without causing fatigue. Advanced safety features like the blade guard, locking device, and soft start keep you protected while working. The 45-degree adjustable head and auxiliary roller help you achieve the perfect cut every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.